Hey guys, Patrick Wind here and welcome to this training model in which I'm going to show you how you can create canvas ads. So where can we do that? Well, basically even in the Instagram stories or in the alt placement ad set, and it's actually very important that you understand that a canvas is not a true ad, but it's something that is in between your ad and your actual landing page, and therefore it's also demonstrated here as ad full screen experience on another level than the other ad types, right? So here we have apples and this is a pear, so that's a different thing, okay? So we could use, for example, a single image ad, okay? And instead of bringing people to a website URL, okay, to a specific landing page, we could bring these people to a canvas, okay? So a canvas is something that is in between your ad and the actual landing page where you bring people, okay? And it's also demonstrated like this, and it's actually nicely explained here. So at a full screen landing page that opens instantly when someone interacts with your ad on a mobile device. Use Canvas to feature images, videos, products, and call to action buttons that link to your app or website, okay? Super important, it only works on mobile devices, and it is something that opens in a full screen experience after you have pressed on the ad. After you've clicked on the ad. So for example, if you use a simple single image ad, we could select an image or a video, whatever we want from this section here, and instead of bringing them to a website, we give them a full screen experience, okay? So we add a canvas here in the middle, and we could use once again one of those templates, okay? But we could also use the advanced canvas builder, but let's start with a little template which makes our life easy. For example, in this canvas we could select an image or a video, we could select whatever we want. Let's take cancel. Let's take the first one here. Then we can give them a reason to buy. Let's say we are a new brand from Barcelona or whatever. You can explain in more detail below why you're a cool brand. Then you can easily use those carousels to replace the photo by your own. You could for example select here a nice combination of products for your own page, okay, and then describe them properly. So for example, if we choose these products and then we describe them in the product headline and product description, we link them to a specific page. So nice possibilities that we have here. And of course we want to link them to the specific products. So for example, let's say we bring them to Rockets Go and we bring them to the specific page for this product. So we link them here. We could of course do that with all the others as well, okay? And then at the bottom we have to add another call to action button. So let's say for example, once again, shop now, and we also bring them to our main landing page or wherever we want. We can also substitute all the other images that we still have. Let's substitute also this one, this product. Then of course it shouldn't say stripped shorts, so that's of course something that you have to add with the specific name of your product or whatever you want to give them as an argument here. And then you could click on done, and then it's already created. So you see, Canvas is a full screen experience that comes directly after someone clicks on the ad. So for example, if someone now clicks on this specific ad, it would open up our canvas, okay, and then within the canvas we link the people to our landing page or to a specific product. Okay, so we've seen we could do this with one of the templates. So that's definitely an option. We could also use the second possibility here, the second template, which is also very nice. So you can basically just replace those creative elements. Okay, just drag and drop, or you just upload your creative element and it goes very fast and very handy, and you just substitute the text, okay, with your specific information about the company and your products. But what we could also do is we could use the advanced canvas builder, which I like a lot, and here you can get more tips and best practice, some examples, and you can get a tour. And if you want to get started, you just click on here, open blank canvas, and here you can now create a combination of whatever you want to create. So for example, we could start with a nice video, and after the video we give them a product set, and after the product set we could give it also a nice carousel, for example, and then we end with a call to action button. And then what happens if we decide, well, actually it would be better to have the carousel on top of the product set? Well, then we can just tag it, we can just grab it here and put it on top. Okay, and as you already see, that's one of the problems that you probably face, that it does not change that easily. So now it worked, but sometimes if you want to put the button now on top of the other one, you face the problem that it's not moving that smoothly. So a little trick for that is if you close them, okay, so you minimize them, you make them smaller, and when they're smaller, it's very easy to switch them. Okay, so now there is absolutely no problem that you face when switching the creative elements between each other. Okay, but let's do this in the right way. So I think it's a good idea to start with a video, then give them some products, but probably not too many, then a nice lifestyle carousel, and then a call to action button. So with the video, for example, we can select, for example, this one that we have created. For the product set, let's select this one, but important, do not give them all the images here. Let's give them, for example, 8 products. Okay, so it's 2, 2, 2. Okay, and then here we can give them some lifestyle pictures that demonstrate our product, and we link them to our website. Also, of course, with the other one. Here, take for example this one. That's good. And we're just missing the call to action button, and we're live. So shop now, and we also bring them to the website. Here we could play around with the design of the button. So the button could also have another color if we want, or the background color we can switch. So this is of course not super nice, but this would be an option. Okay, you could just play around with all of those buttons and see which design you like the most. Okay, here is just one last little information I wanted to share with you, which is about fit to the width or fit to the height. I like this one actually a lot. When you use fit to height, because people can tilt their phone, so when they move their phone, they can explore the rest, but this option is not so good when it comes to videos. So for videos, rather stick with the fit to width, so it's gonna look like this. That's better for the video. But if you have photos, you could definitely try also this one. So people really have to tilt, so if they tilt their device, the image side is going to rotate. So that's very nice idea, especially for this little carousel, for example. So we could now go ahead, save that. Once it is saved under the specific name, we can finish it, and once we have finished it, yes, we want to finish that, we can publish our ad. Of course, it needs a little text, so let's give it text and headline. Okay, this one we could of course copy from our Google Doc, where we have all the text and headlines saved. Let's call this one canvas ad after single image. So canvas ad after single image, save it to draft, and we're gonna see very nicely how this can be created in a very fast way. So let's publish it as far as we can. So very nice, very good. Basically, the preview just shows you a single image ad with the text, headline, and image that we have chosen. And if you want to see how the collection, and in this specific case the canvas ad, really looks, so you just send a notification to your Facebook account, and then you can open this one on your mobile phone. So of course, as the canvas is only available for the mobile phone, also the preview will only be able on the mobile phone. So it's not able to, we are not able to see a preview of our canvas on desktop, but you could send the preview to your phone and you will receive it as a notification. Okay, just like this. Then you click on preview your ad and you're gonna see exactly how it's going to look. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this one as much as I did, and I'm looking forward to seeing the next video. Goodbye.